Hello friends, and welcome to Princy's Authentic Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making deep fried chicken wings, and there is 3 steps to this dish. First thing is to marinate it, second thing to bake it, third is to deep fry it. So I'll show you step by step how to make this delicious recipe.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Alright guys, so I'm all done deep frying my chicken wings. I showed you the 3 steps how to make this yummy, delicious chicken wings recipe. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching me cook. Not only watching me cook, please do try my recipes and do leave your comments right below. And if you guys like my video, thumbs up. And if you guys really like my video, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Till then guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.